You
Hey,
can't.
go!
Oh, that was a good fucking shot.
Okay, one more. Do it again.
Oh, no.
One more time!
No, please, no. That fucking...
Okay.
My nose is already broken, so I don't need another shot. Oh, that fucked... You got my nose, though, so that fucked it up.
But it's okay. She'll try for your ear, closer to your ear.
Dude, can I please, like, I won't hit your face.
No.
No, please. One more.
Hey, punch him in the...
No,
No.
dude, I'll punch you right here. I
No.
promise. Okay, I'm
No.
doing it right now. Can I fucking...
Ah! That felt way better than the punch in the nose.
How do you feel about
Dude,
that?
I'll fucking
I feel
mash
good.
one right now. Dude, if someone fucking
Danielle,
tries
that
to
was
fucking
solid
fuck with
shots.
me, I'll
Danielle,
fucking
that
mash
was solid
chicks right now.
shots. That was solid shots.
Do you even know who the fuck I am, man? I'll mash chicks right
I'm
now.
sorry. Like, you know, did I piss you off at all? I feel like